Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So children, what do you think is important in our life for survival? Just like air is, we need water. So children, we are going to talk about water in this chapter. The name of the chapter is water. Okay, so I know we all need, I use water too, and okay, so we all need water and we use water for different purposes. Okay, so all living things need water to survive. We need water to drink, to bath, to cook food, to wash utensils and clothes, and many other activities. Plants and animals also need water to survive. Let's know about some other uses of water. Okay, so children, every living being or organism needs water. Okay, सबको पानी चाहिए. Okay, to survive. Only living beings I am talking about. Okay, उनको सबको पानी चाहिए to survive. Okay, without water they will survive only for few days and then they will die. Okay, like if you don't water your plants, अगर आप पौधों में पानी नहीं डालोगे तो थोड़े दिन में वो मुरझाकर मर जाएंगे. वैसे ही हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ऑल्सो हमें सबको पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. राइट? ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द यूजेस ऑफ वाटर. Okay, plants need water. We water plants from time to time. They absorb water from soil and transport to the other parts of the body. They use water to make their food. Water needs of plants differ. Plants like cactus and date palm that grow in the desert need less water. Plants like lotus, water lily grow in water, like ponds and in lakes, and are called aquatic plants. So children, we all know that plants also need water and we water them from time to time. Okay, what they do is they absorb the water and then that water gets transported to their different parts. Okay, and from there it is used to make the food. Okay, at the same time, the needs of different plants, the water needs of different plants is different. Okay, जैसे cactus एंड डेट पाम जो होते हैं वो कहाँ में मिलते हैं आपको? ज़्यादा करके डेजर्ट एरिया में, तो उन्हें कम पानी भी चल जाता है. ओके, फिर आप अगर देखोगे लोटस या वाटर लिली, व्हाट आर दीज? These are the plants that grow in ponds and lakes and then they are called aquatic plants. Okay, so next, at the farm, to grow crops, farmers need to water the crops at regular intervals of time. Okay, at home, water is used for drinking. We cannot survive without water. We use water for bathing, for cooking food, sweeping floor, washing clothes, etc. Water also helps in the digestion of food. हम जो खाना खाते हैं उसको digest करने के लिए पानी बहुत important role play करता है. Okay? It helps to remove waste from our body. It also helps the blood to circulate in our body. So that's why we must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Daily हमें 8 से 10 ग्लास पानी पीना ज़रूरी है. Okay? Now, animals drink water. Like us, animals also need water to drink. After all, they are also living beings. Okay? They also need water to bathe. Some animals like fish, oyster, whale, crab and turtle live in water and are called aquatic animals. Okay? Now, camel is called the ship of the desert. Camel जो होता है उसको कहते हैं ship of the desert. Camel, snake and lizard that live in deserts need very little water. Okay? Animals like elephant and hippopotamus that live in hot places need more water. So जो animals desert area में रहते हैं उनको कम पानी मिलता है तो भी चल जाता है. Okay, because their bodies are made like that. Okay, wherein they can survive without water for many days. Okay, animals like elephant and hippopotamus, okay, they live in hot places and they need more water. Okay, they need a lot of water. Now, we also need water for electricity. Okay, water is stored in large dams. It is released from some height on a turbine due to which it rotates and produces electricity. Thus, Running water is used to generate electricity. Okay, so water also plays an important role for generation of electricity. That's why save water, use it wisely. Okay, water as a means of transport. Okay, water is also used as a means of transport. जैसे land transport हो गया, फिर रेल ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गया, फिर एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गया, वैसे वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट भी है. ओके, सो इट इज ऑल्सो यूज एज अ मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. Ships, boat, yacht and submarine move on water. In oceans, submarine move underwater. Okay, now do it yourself. Arrange the uses of water on the basis of the amount of water that will be used in given activities. Start with the activity that needs less water. So, इसमें से कौन सी एक्टिविटी ऐसी है जिसके लिए कम पानी भी चल जाता है और कौन सी ऐसी एक्टिविटी है जिसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत है. ओके, यू हैव टू मेंशन दैट. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स लुक एट फ्रॉम वेयर दिस वाटर कम्स. पानी आता कहाँ से? लेट्स लुक एट द सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर. ओके, रेन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर ऑन अर्थ. The water bodies like rivers, lakes, ponds and streams get filled up by rainwater. Okay, so rain, बारिश is the main source of water. Okay, जब बारिश होती है तब rivers, lakes, ponds और streams भर जाते हैं and then that water gets supplied to the households. Okay, some rain water seeps through the soil and collects underground. Okay, this is called underground water. This water can be drawn out through wells, tube wells and hand pumps. जो पानी नीचे ज़मीन के अंदर इकट्ठा हो जाता है उसको कहते हैं अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. और उसमें जो वो पानी हमें निकालने के लिए हम लोग क्या बनाते हैं? वी मेक वेल्स, ओके, ट्यूब वेल्स या फिर हैंड पम्प्स. क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स लुक एट अ फैक्ट जोन. वाटर इज शेपलेस, कलरलेस, odorless and tasteless, but yet it is very important for us. Okay, now find out from where do you get drinking water at home. आपके घर पे ड्रिंकिंग वाटर कहाँ से आता है? पीने का पानी कहाँ से आता है? फाइंड आउट. नाउ हाउ इज वाटर सप्लाइड? ओके, वाटर का सप्लाई कैसे होता है? एवरी सिटी हैज़ अ वाटर वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट. इट सप्लाइज वाटर टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द सिटी. वाटर वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट जो है दे आर इन चार्ज ऑफ सप्लाइंग वाटर टू ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द सिटी. Okay, water from rivers and lakes is collected and cleaned in big water treatment plants. Okay, here it is cleaned and then pumped into the water storage tank of our colony. Okay, from there water is supplied to our houses through underground pipes. Now we just need to open a tap to get water. ओके, तो ये वाटर सप्लाई जो होता है इसमें बहुत सी अलग अलग चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व होती है. जैसे पहले तो रिवर और लेक्स का पानी कलेक्ट करते हैं, फिर उनको बड़े बड़े वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स में भेजते हैं, वहाँ पे वो प्यूरिफाई हो जाता है और फिर अंडरग्राउंड पाइप्स जो होते हैं उसके ज़रिए वो हमारे टैप तक पहुँचता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स लुक एट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. द वाटर वी ड्रिंक मस्ट बी क्लीन. It must not have dirty things and germs in it. अगर हम गंदा पानी पीते हैं तो हम बीमार हो सकते हैं. Okay? Some people boil the water they drink. When you boil water, the germs in it are killed. People also use different kinds of water filters to clean water. आपके घर में भी आपने देखा होगा आरओ या वाटर फिल्टर यूज़ होता है टू क्लीन द वाटर. ओके, और जिन घरों में आरओ या वाटर फिल्टर नहीं होता है वो क्या करते हैं? वो अपने पीने के पानी को बॉयल करते हैं जिससे वो प्योर हो जाता है, जर्म्स किल कर देता है. ओके, वी मस्ट स्टोर वाटर इन क्लीन वाटर टैंक, बकेट एंड बॉटल. वी मस्ट कीप देम कवर्ड so that dirt and germs cannot get into the water. Okay, now remember these points. All living things need water to survive. We use water for different purposes. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Waterworks department supplies water to all parts of the city. The water we drink must be clean. Okay, now let's look at the words in the word bank. Digestion. The breakdown of food into smaller particles is called digestion. Circulate means to go around or through something. Okay. Generate means to produce or create. Okay, so children, now I hope you know the sources of water, from where water comes, how water comes to our home, and what are the uses of water, and how to purify water also. But do reread the chapter and start doing the back exercises.